Hi guys, today I'll make a review video for this Bose speaker right here. Yes, first we can see this is a package box, and a very small package box, and we got a Bose right here, and sound link at Bose BE8, and we got its picture from this part, and from this side we got a Bose. From the backward we got the functions for this speaker. Yes, okay, let's open it and see the details of this speaker. Yes, this is a white package box, and you just open it like this. Okay, yes, this is a protector, and we got a carrying bag for the speaker, and we got a brochure. So yes, a brochure. Yes, this is a very heavy, and like this. Yes, we got a USB cable, yep, and a AV cable, yep. So let's turn to this speaker. Yeah, very heavy. It's about 2 kilo. I don't know. So yes, let's move to this speaker, and we got its logo Bose right here, and this is a silver, and this is the speaker. So, and from this part we got its functions: mode, step forward, backward, and pause, voice, minus, plus. And from this part we got its AV out, AV in, and USB TF, and a USB. So it's just for charging, and we got a power key from this one. And from the backward we got its information, and its Bluetooth BE8, and power information, some about it. And you can see this is the bottom, and you just put it like this. Okay, I will open it, and we will see the quality of this sound
Bluetooth
quality.
Testing on. Bluetooth is ready and pairing.
And just open the Bluetooth of your mobile phone, and just connect it with this speaker. And you can check there is a BE8 from your mobile phone, and just connect it with it.
Bluetooth
there is
has
a
paired
sound.
successfully.
Yeah, it reminds you that the Bluetooth is connected successfully. So just play music, and let's see the sound quality. Okay, that is the details of this speaker. So thanks for attention, guys. Bye.